Grab some popcorn, dude, this one's wild. So I posted a video on how to be like Batman. Then someone hit the comments. And I was like, say less. Today, we're unlocking that Catwoman energy, confident, mysterious, and just a little dangerous. Let's get into it. First off, who even is Catwoman? Selina Kyle. She's not a hero. Not a villain. Definitely not boring. She's complex. Sassy like a TikTok queen, elegant like old school cinema, and low-key built for survival. She's the type that has boundaries, but still breaks the rules. She's the girl Batman can't figure out. And that's the point. Step 1, master the art of the smirk. Catwoman doesn't need to yell to be heard. She walks into a room and lets her presence speak. Confidence. Quiet. Eyeliner. Sharp. Feral, but classy. A look. A pause. A smirk. That's her whole language. Step 2, dress like you could steal hearts, or a diamond. You don't need a full leather bodysuit. Unless that's your thing. But the vibe? Sleek. Black. Minimalist with edge. Clean lines. Statement pieces. Mystery. Bonus points if your boots could crush egos and kneecaps. Step 3, be mysterious, but not boring. Selina doesn't overshare. She drops hints. One-liners. Maybe a tragic backstory you'll never fully understand. That's her power. She's a puzzle. Not a people pleaser. Step 4, morally gray is the new black. She doesn't follow rules. She follows her code. Sometimes she helps. Sometimes she vanishes. Always on her terms. The lesson? Don't play the game. Redefine it. Step 5, be independent AF, but make room for chemistry. Catwoman doesn't need Batman. But she kinda likes him. Big difference. She's not the prize. She's the challenge. You don't wait in the shadows. You are the shadows. So yeah. Be his Catwoman. Or be your own Catwoman, and let him try to keep up. Because this isn't about being the girl. It's about being the plot twist. And hey, if you want more videos like this, drop a comment. Tyler Durden. Tony Stark. Or someone even more unhinged. Don't forget to hit like and smash subscribe. And stay bold.
I don't even know my mother's name. But I think there's someone who can tell.
Are you sure?